First technique we're working with here is the rolling technique, and this is the Gunfa technique. And starting out, you guys have been using your rice bags or your sock buddies, and you've been practicing the rolling technique on that sock buddy. So continue doing that and practicing it, pretending my arm was a sock buddy, and you can roll both arms like so. And you can also roll on your own leg, your quads, if you don't have your sock buddy, your other quad. So wherever you are, you can still practice. You don't absolutely need a sock buddy or a rice sack or rice bag, okay? So, getting used to rolling on different parts of the body. One of the first areas where there's a little more tissue, we can start learning how to do the rolling technique on the hamstring, okay? So remember, your hands are gonna be like so. Like here, we're rolling on this outer edge from here, this triangle from your knuckle and on up to the fingers, okay? Elbow should be lower or level with the hand as you roll, and try to get full extension when you're rolling with one hand, just enough so it doesn't cause pain in your wrist, okay? So it should be your natural range, so don't go out of your natural range. It will increase over time. Okay, so rolling, start out slow, stay in contact, make sure you have the pull back on the roll as well. So I'm actually rolling back this way and forward, okay? So start out slow, and then as you find that control, increase it. And just like so, one hand traditional rolling. Okay, as you get more comfortable, you can move to the calf. You can see it a little more close up there. Rolling like so. Again, trying to make sure your elbow is level with you, anchored by the elbow. And rolling like so. Okay. Just showing you across the table so you can see the hand as well. Okay, so that's our traditional rolling. Normally, for the sake of the video, or for the sake of time, I would go to the other side and use my left hand to do the same motion. Okay, so you want to do both sides. Now, once you get comfortable, your focus, should stay in an area, like I was saying, stay in the area where you're rolling. Get comfortable there before you try to move, okay? So, we're going to come up to the back. Now, the back has a little bit more musculature. So you want to try to contour that hand a little bit differently and stay in contact as best possible. So we're really looking at rolling this whole region. Okay, and then we're going to work into the glute and then down the hamstring with just traditional or formal rolling. So like so, rolling on the back. And if I find an area that feels tighter, I might stay right there for a little bit to release that stagnation. And then just roll down. The other side of it, you can focus your attention when you're ready to roll. Just give your energetic intention, and your hand will start to just go in the place where you want it to go energetically. So I'm rolling on the bag, you can do some rolling here. Okay? You can do a little traditional rolling here. Now as you get here, make sure you drop the elbow. And roll like so, through the glutes this way. Roll, for the sake of the video, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on each one. Roll here, right on down to each section of the leg, okay? That's what it looks like there. I'll show you with the left hand a little bit on this side. So right here, where he's got some good erector strength, good tissue strength here. So his musculature is relatively strong in his mid and throughout his erectors. So So I'm going to try to make sure I can contour to that so I get the energy flow in his muscles working really well. Into the glute. Down the hamstring. Slow it down for you guys. Roll forward, back, forward, back. Okay.